Hello, and welcome to our TechFruit YouTube channel. TechFruit is a technology, travel, and lifestyle website that provides high-quality news, updates, wisdom, and tips with the greater good of society in mind. Now let's continue to the video. Google Pixel Update lets you take photos underwater. Google today announced a number of new features for Pixel smartphones, which include an improved call recording experience, exploring the underwater world with Pixel cameras, Smart Compose for better adapting to users' daily activities and sleep reminders, attention-grabbing graphics. Let's look at first update. The recorder function. Users can now easily share audio files with others, even if other users are not also using the Pixel smartphone. In addition, on the recorder.google.com website, you can also listen to recordings, view text transcripts, and even search for files. Basically, you get entire recorder experience with a shareable link. So basically it helps content writers, students, enterprise sales teams, product teams to get rid of their small recorders. As shown in the figure, just click the menu in the upper right corner of the recorder application, and then choose to share audio files. This is possibly the coolest update of this year. Underwater camera. For divers and underwater photography enthusiasts, you can now use the Pixel Camera app plus Kraken Sports Universal Waterproof Protective Cover. You can record the scenes of marine life and the underwater world. Users can use functions including night vision, portrait mode, dynamic photos and videos to obtain high-quality underwater images. Next update is attention-grabbing graphics. Google will bring unique graphics and wallpapers throughout the year for Pixel. It will start on International Women's Day on March 8th. Pixel will bring a series of wallpapers created by Jack of Spain, which focus on showing the power and transformation of women. Next update will use machine learning to improve user experience. Smart Compose for better adapting to users' daily activities and sleep reminders. In terms of input experience, Smart Compose intelligent spelling can use machine learning technology to complete words and sentences, and message reply is expected to be easier than before. Smart Compose will provide some suggestions for commonly used phrases to help users reduce repetitive input or possible typos. Finally, there is a reminder function to improve the user's sleep. When you put the Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 4, Pixel 4 XL, and Pixel 5 on the Pixel Stand wireless charging stand, you will see a newly designed bedtime notification screen. Let us know in comments section if you liked this features from Google.
That's all for now. Please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. This will encourage and support us to make awesome content.